Hello YouTube, welcome back. If you are looking to get started on the Ketovore diet in 2023, or you have already started the Ketovore diet and you're looking for some inspiration, then today's video is for you. I've put together a 5-day keto carnivore meal plan for you, and these are easy and realistic meals that I personally eat on a daily basis. With Ketovore, it's kind of like a gray area between keto and carnivore. There isn't really a correct way of doing it, so I thought I'd talk a little bit about my philosophy and my ground rules for the diet. Before we get started, I really appreciate it if you could hit that like button and consider subscribing to our channel. It really allows us to help as many people as possible. Turn on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we have a new video. Now, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I try to get a majority of my nutrition and calories from animal-based products, at least 80 to 90%. And the remaining 10 to 20% of my diet comes from more keto-friendly foods like some low-carb veggies and some low-carb fruits and occasional keto snacks. Because the goal of this diet is to be in ketosis, the maximum allowable daily net carbs is 50 grams per day. I personally try to stick to under 25 grams of net carbs per day, and so all of the meals in this video are going to be under 25 grams just to make sure your body is definitely in ketosis. For the fat to protein ratio, this ranges from 60 to 80%. When it comes to seasonings, I personally don't have a very sensitive stomach, so I can tolerate any seasonings. Obviously, you can adjust anything you like to taste. For condiments, I always make sure I read the ingredient labels and I stick to things that don't have seed oils or added sugars or any other mysterious or sketchy ingredients that I can't read or pronounce. Now, for these meals, I do list out all of the macro and calorie information, but this information is really just to give you a complete picture for reference in terms of portion size. I personally don't really believe in calorie counting or calorie restriction. In fact, I will leave a video link up top where I talk about my experience with calorie counting and why it's not for me. However, when the numbers are all there, it allows you to look at the meal plans more objectively. Feel free to tweak any of these meals according to your BMI, any food intolerances you have, as well as your taste preferences. I hope the meals in this video give you some inspiration and help you achieve whatever health and weight loss goals you may have for 2023. Not only has this diet changed my life, but I genuinely find it very enjoyable to eat this way long term, and that is the main reason why I've been able to sustain this diet for so long. If you liked my video today, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Again, it really allows us to reach as many people as possible. Leave a comment down below and let me know whether you have any questions about our Ketovore meal plan. Until next time,